Hello, American government. Welcome to day 2 of summer school. Bienvenido al segundo día de la escuela de verano. For today, we have one objective. You will be able to write about who has power. And our language objective is that you will be able to discuss the question, who do you think has power at your school? And you're going to use the words power and government in writing. Okay. Remember, for the Edpuzzle, the video will pause and you will answer the question. The first question you're going to answer is, who has power in your high school? Okay. You can use one of these two sentence starters. I think that blank has or have power because blank. I believe that blank have power because blank. Okay. Who do you think has power? Put that here. Why do you think they have power? The second question you're going to answer is, how do students have power? I think or believe that students have power because. Okay. Write that down. Answer the question in your Edpuzzle. Okay. Remember, our focus is power. Okay. For question 3, you're going to think about who else has power. Think about the different people and places in your life, in your family, at work, in your home country, in the US. I gave you 4 examples here. Choose any 2 from these, and I want you to respond. Okay. So for example, if you say in my family, I would say my mother has power because everyone respects my mother because of her experience. Okay. So that would be my example. You come up with your own example of who has power. We're just thinking about the word right now. Okay. What is power? Power is when someone or something has control, they have authority or influence over actions of other people. Okay? So something or someone controls another person or people. They control how they behave, they control how they act. Power is also authority, and authority can have power. Everyone believes in an authority, and because they believe in an authority, they're going to follow what the authority says. An authority can be a person, right? So, for example, at a school, a principal can be an authority because they have power and everyone is going to listen to them. Power is also influence over how other people act or behave. Okay. So, for example, media, videos that we can watch, like the news, can have influence on other people. Fashion, right? We can think of name brands. Nike can influence how other people act or behave. Okay, next I want you to think about the word government. What does the word government make you think of? Governments are one way that countries organize power. The government is an authority, es una autoridad, but they have to decide how they're going to divide or organize the power that they have. Because it's not just one person. Okay. Who do you believe has the most power in the United States? and why. Okay. Use either one of the sentence starters. I believe that blank. Who do you think holds the most power in the United States because, and explain why they hold power. Or you can use this sentence frame. In the United States, power is held by blank. Okay. And the last thing you are going to do is a free write. I want you to think about your life experiences and write a response. How have power and government affected your life? Use all three of them. The government in my home country, blank. How did the government in your home country impact your life? In my life, blank has power over me. You can think about government, you can think about people, you can think about anything around you that has power over you. And then the last question, I feel like I have power because. Why do you think you have power? Okay. Make sure you finish assignments number 1 through 4, and there will be no class on Friday.